Oh, the struggle. Hi guys, my name is Zenobia and welcome to my channel and another Throwback Thursday. If you haven't seen any of my other ones, I have them all on a playlist, and so definitely go check those out. Today we're going to do the Chocolate Bonbon palette by Too Faced. This palette, I remember getting it because of this color right here, Totally Fetch. I wanted that bright pink, and you know, I really liked Satin Sheets as like this goldy pink color, rose gold pink color. And my son keeps destroying it. Like anytime I have it out, he digs his fingernails in it and like tries to eat it. I don't know what it is about this palette and like any other neutrally type palette, because other than like if I cover up the two pinks in here, it's pretty much a neutral palette. Something about neutral palettes he loves. So I did end up doing 2 looks for this video because the first one I was like bleh about, and this is the second one. I'm also not like, it's meh. So this palette is just, I'm gonna keep it and try to keep putting it in rotation to try to use it, but it's just not what I'm into anymore. Like I really like colors and doing all that, and so anyway, the formula is still good, or still as good as it was before, but also Too Faced does not make my favorite formula anyway, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's just get into the looks. Start off with Almond Truffle here. Lay that down as a base. It smells so good. It makes me want some chocolate. Alright, now take like a fluffier crease brush, not too fluffy, and I'm gonna go into Earl Grey and nice little claw mark on that guy. Try to lightly pick it up since it's been clawed. Crease. Ooh, that is darker than I meant to. That one on a lot darker than I meant to. I meant to just like very lightly put that on. So just see what we can do about that. Okay, this is what I wanted. Not that. I wanted like this. So let's see. I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush and try to like buff that out a little bit. Clean out this brush. Blending. You know what? It's just easier to make this one darker. We're just gonna have like really dark eyes today. It's just easier to even it out that way. I have time for anything else. Okay. Let's. What do I want to do? You know what, maybe if I bring this down a little bit. It's like threw me off. That happening right there like threw me off. Now I like don't know what to do. I'm just gonna try to, haven't put any more product on the brush. We're just gonna try to blend it on. Here comes my kiddo. Next I'm gonna wet my brush and go into Cafe Latte, I think is what it's supposed to say. I think the Cream de Couture by Sigma palette had that same kind of color in it, or a color by, not that same kind of color, but like a color with the same name in it, and I was like, Cafe Latte, I don't know, how would you say that? Cafe Latte. So I'm gonna wet the brush because I never did that with this palette. It's not really giving me the pow I want. Let's try to apply with our finger. A little bit of patchiness here. Okay, I'll work with it. It's like really patchy. No, this whole eye makeup is gonna be like a fail today. Okay, I'm getting frustrated because this is just like failing. Like it's so sheer and patchy looking. You can't see me pouting. Let me see, what can I do to salvage this? Let's just try to go with satin sheets. Let me get a new brush. I'm gonna wet it again and go in with this satin sheets color, which was like a rose goldy color. I was going for more of a cool tone look, but I really need that shimmer in there, so let's see. Gosh, he just like destroyed this palette. It's a little bit better. Just pat, 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 pat. Maybe that's part of the problem, is I've been using the Bad Habit palettes lately, and like those you can kind of like swipe the color around. But you just gotta pat, pat, pat the color with this one. That's better. I like that better. And blend it out into over the gray a little bit. Bring the shimmer up a little bit. There we go. Well, that just went in the direction I wanted to go, but whatever, we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna put in Black Currant, this purple color, under the lower lash line. I feel like I've been so into color lately that this palette is just kind of, oops, sorry, this palette is just kind of like not doing it for me. I'm not happy with this look. I'm gonna go in with Molasses Chip. Ooh. Just like I don't know how to describe that color. Let's see. Put it in the inner corner and underneath the brow bone. Sorry if I keep going out of focus. I like get frustrated and I get closer and closer to the mirror and I forget what I'm doing. Okay. Well, here's what we got. Got some mascara on, and here is the final look. Not too exciting, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go into this almond truffle color again and lay that all over the upper portion of the lid as a base. We're gonna go in today with this dark truffle color and put that into the crease. I'm using the M433 brush. It's kind of like a flat, more flat brush. Some of that over here. It's one of the colors my kiddo dug into really well, so it like really came off a lot. Okay, I'm gonna clean my brush off. So clean that off so I can go back in and blend that out without any more product. This just went really dark for this look. I'm going to take this M411 brush and see if I can't blend that out onto the outer corner. So it's going to be like kind of smoked out and blurred out at the edges there. Just because it got really dramatic really quick. I have an interview today. Did not want to go that dramatic. Okay. That is salvaged as much as it's going to be. So now I'm going to go in with the color Black Currant. And what I'm going to do is get that on the brush, and then I'm going to spray it with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And then we're going to apply it. So I sprayed it with the Urban Decay All Nighter after it was already on the brush to try to prevent from creating hard pan in the shadow pan. I'm just leaving that empty space because we're going to kind of do a halo eye. Once again. In the inner and outer corners. Alright, I'm going to clean the brush off. Oops. This is a brush by the Vintage Cosmetic. I got it in the BoxyCharm. So I'm going to do that same thing with this color Totally Fetch. Like Hot Punk. So I'm going to spray, or put the color on the brush and then spray with the MAC, or the Urban Decay All Nighter. We're just going to put that on there. Kind of blur the two together, or blend the two together around the edges. Okay, a nice little pop of pink there. And this upper lid is just too much for me right now. So I'm going to take the color Cashew Chew. It's like really pale color, and we're going to take that and blend it on the top edge of that dark truffle color. So I'm going to go just into the top and kind of blend it in. Blend it over that to try to soften it a little bit. That's better. Just too much. There we go. And lastly, I'm going to take the color Black Currant again, and I'm just going to put that on under the lower lash line using my M432 brush, which is just a flat brush. Not lastly, because I need an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to take the color Satin Sheets, which is this like pinky gold color, top, and we're going to put that on the inner corner for an inner corner highlight, as well as on the brow bone, upper edge of the, or outer edge of the, underneath the brow. Kind of open that up a little bit. And actually, now I'm thinking I also want to add just a tad right into the center here of the pink. Right, just to open it up even more. Okay, have a finished look. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed Throwback Thursdays, I will soon be doing a, coming up within the next week, I'm going to be doing a palette collection video that has been requested for me to do, and so you'll know all my palettes, and if you want me to do one for Throwback Thursday, just let me know and I would love to do it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. There's a little button right up here, and also don't hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I do post every Sunday and Tuesday, and then every other Thursday, and sometimes other times during the week if I like do an unboxing, or I just want to I have like several videos I want to get up and I'm impatient. And so hit the notification bell so you know when those pop up, and there's a couple videos in the bottom of the screen that you can watch as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.